Morning, everybody.
Nobody can see me. Good morning.
Good morning. How is everybody?
Good.
Pretty out, huh? Everybody's coming in. Hold on 1 second.
I have to bring Kylo Ren.
Ray and Kylo Ren.
Okay, sit down, Mom, so she can. Hi, Dr. Ben.
Hi. Who's Moose 29?
Sit down, Ben.
Oh, is that Gracie? Gracie, are you, hold on. Gracie, are you Moose 29?
I think that's Harrison.
Okay, good. I just enabled the waiting room and I didn't recognize that.
Jenny, did you put your name as the password? The password is your name.
I think I'm definitely sorry.
Hey, I don't care. My Moosey, he's the greatest dog. I'm glad that you like that. Hold on 1 second.
Here you go,
What's going on?
Okay, so you guys, do you guys want, moms, do you guys want to have class on Memorial Day? I'm happy to do it.
What's Memorial?
Anybody?
I think we will take a break on Memorial Day.
Okay, I think maybe I'll just not do Memorial Day just because.
You would normally do it, right?
I don't know. Usually we're off on Memorial Day, aren't we? I don't care. I don't even care. I'll do it. You know what? Send me a text or email if you want to do it. I'll do it. I can do like a Memorial Day theme. And then so Josiah's coming over today to say goodbye. He's moving to Nashville. But I have his certificate and, you know, his what I'd like once this is all lifted to still have a ceremony.
Really happy.
Hi, Lily.
Say hi. Hi.
How we doing? I love all the bed heads. I have some. Okay, we don't have a huge day today. Not a lot to do. Yeah, Lily?
I am 6.
You're sick?
No, I'm 6.
You're 6? Is it your birthday? It was yesterday.
The day before.
Oh my gosh. Should we all sing happy birthday, guys? Okay, on the count of 3, let's sing to Lily. Happy, or 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lily. Your 2 hands. Happy birthday to you. Are you 7?
Is this the Lily? Mom?
Are you 7?
Huh. I'm 6.
You're 6? Oh my gosh, I can't believe how smart you are. You're 2 hands, girl. 2 hands. Wait, what is it?
I wonder if
1. What? How do we say it? 5 and 1. Come on. Salty.
6 is 5 and 1.
I know, but how do we sing it? I forget.
Me too.
So what rhymes with 1 is sun. So
6 is 5 and 1.
yeah, but the song. What do we do?
What's the song, Lily?
Why is the sky so blue?
7 is 5 and 2.
Good job, Addison. Well, I just don't know.
Nope.
I'll have to think about it. So weird.
Okay.
Okay, we are doing this today. Easy breezy. Okay. We're gonna finish this side of math. And that's really it. Where's my matter poem? Okay, let's do Pledge of Allegiance. Can you stand up?
I'm gonna split.
Okay, right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge
Allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Addison, you look gorgeous in your yellow dress.
Thank you.
So pretty. Uh-oh, Gracie. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Sorry, hold on. Oh, no. Can you try?
Wait, Mom. Oh, he sent us these.
Gracie tried to get in and I kicked her out of the class by accident. I didn't know who she was. Oh, how can I do that? I could maybe invite her. Ooh, let me see. Invite. Gracie. Let's see. Here, copy invite link.
I just don't think I can get our camera to work.
I want a new background. Oh my God.
Let me see. Sorry. You have enabled the waiting room. No, I don't want it. Okay. Hopefully she can get back in. All right. Let's do our matter poem. Okay. Okay, all together, ready? Solids like to keep their shape.
Their shape.
Liquids flow just like a lake.
Liquid flow just like a lake.
Gases float right through the air.
Gases flow just like the air.
Matter, matter everywhere.
Matter everywhere.
Okay, we're gonna go over those phonograms that are in that. One more time. Who remembers what this one is? This is two-letter N, guys. Two-letter N. Okay, like in, if we wrote the word sign, okay, like a sign that you put out front of your house.
Two-letter N.
This is sign. I, N. The G and the N say N. Sign. This is two-letter N, like in no, and what body part? Who remembers? Your knee, K-N-E-E, okay? Who remembers this one? Say it with me. A-E, A-E, A-E. A-E. A like in they, E like in key and honey and monkey. Okay, remember, we never ever say E-I, right, in a word. It makes one sound. A like in there, E like in ceiling, and it like in foreign. Okay. What is this? Who can tell me? Eli Kingshaw, what is it?
The letter I like in light.
Ah, you are correct, sir. Three-letter I like in light. Good job. Can Gracie not get in? Ugh. Okay. Double E always says E, like in Bree. Two-letter O, like in which word on our matter poem? Two-letter O that cannot end a word. Who remembers? Kai? Did you say float?
Yes.
Good job. Okay, ow-o, like in flow. Ow-o, like in flow. Second sound. Qua, Q always needs you. You is not a vowel here, like in liquid. Two-letter A that cannot end a word, like in air. The word air. Who can find hua, hua? Who found that? Which word is that in? It's in the compound word at the end. What is it?
Good, yeah, good job.
Elia Grace?
Everywhere.
Everywhere. Good girl. It has two-letter ers, like in her. And that. Okay, now our big one in the word through. Ready? O like in dough. Oo like in through. Uff like in rough. Off like in cough. All like in bought. And O like in bow. So O, oo, uff, off, aw, ow. Do it with me, guys. O.
Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Uff.
Off.
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 Ow.
Off.
O.
Oh.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Uff. Off.
Off. Off.
Ow.
Off.
Good job. Okay. So we are using it in the word through. Okay. Can anybody tell me?
Miss Ackerman,
Yeah.
we pulled out some fun groups before we are already learning them today. So one of them was O, oo, uff, off, ah, ow, before we even learned it.
Jude, you said that like it was nothing. That was beautiful. Will you please have mommy text you doing that for me? That is so good. Kiss your brain. Wow. Okay, let's go over solids. You guys, ready? A solid, right, has a specific shape. It doesn't change its shape. So we have animals, blocks, books, cupcakes, leaf, clothing. What else? Who can raise their hand and tell me another solid? Raise your hand and give me another solid. Kai?
Solid.
Something that does not change their shape.
Board.
What?
Board.
A board? Like a surfboard? Skateboard? Is that what you said? Lily? Go ahead, Lily. Huh?
Lamp.
Say it loud.
Lamp.
A lamp. Good. A car, a truck, a bus, an airplane, a table. What else, Addison?
A computer.
Yup. Good. Finn?
A quarter.
A quarter. Absolutely. Good. Okay, let's talk about some liquids. Now, they can change their shape depending on the container they're in. So my blood is a different shape than your blood because my blood is in my body and my body's a different shape than your body, right? What about, I don't think you guys are drinking out of a Yeti right now. My water is in a different container than yours. And look at Eli having cereal. His milk is taking the shape of that cup. Okay, so a liquid can take the shape of anything it's put into, okay? And unless you spill it, it stays there, okay? So we have soda and water and rain and ocean and potion and cocoa. Who can give me some more liquids? Yes, Eli. You want to swallow that first?
He's pointing to his milk.
Oh, milk. Good job. Milk. Yes. What else?
Look at it from here. Look at
Any other liquids?
me.
Come on, guys. Even when you blow your nose, what comes out?
Not.
Snot is a liquid. Yeah, yes. Uh-huh. What about, well, you can't swallow without saliva. So your spit, that's a liquid. What else? Yes, Addison. Here, I'll help you. Okay, what? I unmuted you.
Gum.
Gum. Gum is not a liquid. You think gum's a liquid? If you pour it in something, is it going to take the shape of the glass?
No.
It's a solid. Whatever's in it that keeps it tight like that, you know, keeps it chewable, right? So you don't swallow it, keeps it being a solid. It's a solid.
I know.
Yes, who's that?
Water.
You are correct. Lily?
Glue.
What was that?
Glue.
Glue. Yes, until it dries, and then it's a what? When the glue dries, then it's a
Solid.
solid. Good. Okay, so temperature affects it, right? Okay, now gas, fire, wind, helium that blows up a balloon, steam, air, and water vapor. Now, that floats right through the air, but if you trap it, right, you can trap it, but at the moment you let it go, if you blow up a balloon and you pop it, where does all that gas go? Goes into the air. So think of some other things that might float through the air that's a gas.
Clouds.
What was it?
Clouds.
Clouds. Good job. And then when they get all fat with precipitation, they get too heavy and then they come down, right? They let loose. They turn, the water vapor gets so heavy that it actually turns into droplets and comes on down. Okay, let's see. What were we, oh, we're gonna do this. What is matter made of? So we're gonna look at each picture and what kind of matter is it? And we're just gonna simply circle it. That's it, easy breezy, lemon squeezy. Do you guys have that paper? No?
Yes.
Okay.
Afternoon.
Yeah.
We don't have it. I don't have it.
Ah. Okay, well, you can do it with us. I'm going to write everything up on the board. So, hold on.
Do you want to my matter page? Want you my matter page, Liam? It's fun. It's fun.
Okay, the first one is a picture of what? What do you think it could be a picture of? You could touch it, you can feel it, it's hard, it's not moving. What could it possibly be? This picture right here. Right here. They're touching it and it's hard. What do you think that could be? Yes, Eli? Eli, what do you think it is?
A rock.
It's a rock. And a rock is what?
A solid.
It's a solid. I want you to also, somewhere on it, I want you to write rock. And circle solid. So anywhere on there, you're gonna write rock, just like this. You see? Good, Addison, it's a solid.
So
Now, number 2, what do you think that could be? Finn?
liquid.
It's a liquid. Good. Circle liquid. How about, you could be pancake mix. It could be water. It could be, what do we want to say it is that she's touching? Addison?
Potato.
Slime.
Slime. Slime. Okay, slime is like a solid and a liquid. Let's put it. So for number 2, we're going to put slime. The E tells the I to make its second sound. I love that. Slime is a liquid. Good job. Now, when you first make slime, it's a liquid and a solid, isn't it? Because you can make it go like this, but then you can put it in something and it takes the shape of it. Okay, she's waving. When you wave, what happens? What do you make? You make what when you're waving? See, it's showing what you're making when you move your hand. Like, you know how Mrs. Ackerman had you guys blow on me or go like this when I was hot? What did it make?
Wind.
Wind or
Gas.
it's a gas. Good, it's a gas. Do we want to put wind or air? Which?
Gas.
I know, but what do we want to call what's happening?
Wind.
Wind. Okay. Wind. What? It. Wind.
Ice cream cherry. Ice cream cherry.
Okay.
Okay.
Dot, dot, dot. Don't use a lot. Dot, dot, dot. Don't use a lot. What is that? Solid, liquid, or gas? What is glue? See, they're gluing the back of the page. Yes, Finn, what is it?
Liquid.
Liquid, good. Okay, so we're gonna circle liquid, and the word is glue. It's just like blue. English words do not end with I, U, V, or J. So if I spell glue, can I end it with just a U, or what do I need?
E.
Good. Kiss your
The
brain.
English words do not end with I, U, V, or J.
J. Good job. Glue.
Blue.
Glue.
Oh, that's paper. Blue.
Okay. Now, somebody's having hot cereal or soup or oatmeal or I don't know what we're going to decide it is, but the steam coming off of it is what? Good, Addison. What is it? What's the steam coming up? Harrison, what's the steam coming up from the cereal or the soup? Is it a solid, liquid, or gas?
Gas.
Good job. So we're going to circle gas and we're going to write steam. E-A. Steam. E-A. Steam. Steam. We only have one more left. Did you guys get that one? Okay, that's a really weird picture. I need new fun things, but this is that's a sweater or some clothes, and she's touching it, and it's so she can grab it, and it's not changing shape. So what is that? Solid, liquid, or gas? The clothes. Elia Grace, what is it? Solid, liquid, or gas?
Solid.
It's a solid. Clothes are a solid. Good. So we're going to write sweater. Okay, ready? E-A-A, sweater. E-A-A, making it second sound. Watch Miss Ackerman. S-W. E-A-A. Two-letter er like in her. Sweater. Sweater. And then we're done with that page. Hold on, Addison, we're not there yet. I'll make it one more time. It's sweater. Two-letter er and E-A-A. It's making it second sound. Now, where it says name, don't forget to put your name. And then the date, you guys, is, it's May 21st. Ready? 5, right? January, February, March, April, May, 5th month. It is the 21st day, and it's 2020. I'll write this nice and big. 5/21/2020. That's our date. At the top of the page. So on Monday, or I'm sorry, next week, I probably will do something different for Monday, but you guys are gonna do your water cycle book. So have that, okay? All right, are we ready for some math? We're gonna get out, now we're gonna add 2 cents. We're gonna add 2 pennies to all of these, 2 pennies. However, I think it might turn in, if you add 2 to 8, what happens? Watch Mrs. Ackerman. Look at if I have 8 cents, a nickel and 3 pennies. What happens if I get 2 more pennies? What do I have? Another what? Another 10. So we might change something. All right. First problem is 64 plus 2. 64 plus 2. Now, who can tell me in expanded form, what is 64?
66.
What's 64? What 2 numbers? 64. Bless you, Addison. Finn, what is it?
60 plus 4.
60 plus 4, so it's, good job. It's 6 tens, 6 tens, and 4 ones, okay? So here on my abacus, I'll show you that. It's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 64. Not a whole 5, right? 64. If we add 2 more ones, how much do we have now?
4. 54. 54.
What's a 5 and a 1?
4.
So we have 64, but then we just added the 2. Now what do we have?
66.
66, because we just added the ones. We added 2 more here. So now it's a 5 and a 1. So it's 66. 66. Okay, let's try to do that with money. Do we have at least 50? Look at 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 66. Do we have at least 50? Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Do we have 50 cents? At least? Yes or no? Yes. So what can we get 50 cents with? You can raise your hand and tell me. What can I get 50 cents with? Which 2 coins?
25 and a quarter and a quarter.
Kiss your brain, smarty pants. Yes. 25, 50. Good. Now, let's see that. We have 50 cents. Here's our 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now, we have 66 cents. So we need another what? This makes it 60. What's this that I'm moving over to make 60? Who can tell me? What am I moving over? How much more? To make it 60. Yes, Finn?
10.
Yeah, I'm moving over a dime, right? 10 more cents. Okay, now I've done my 50 cents, right? There goes my 50 cents. I've done my 10 cents. And now I have this left. I have a 5 and a 1. I've got 6 cents left. Look at, I've got 6 cents left. How do I make 6 cents? What 2 coins make 6 cents? What 2 coins will make 6 cents? Think, think, think. It's a 5 and a 1. 5 and a 1. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 65, 66. So what 2 coins would make this 5 and this 1? Yes, Finn?
A nickel and 1 penny.
Yes. Good job. A nickel and 1 penny. So say it with me. 25, 50. 10 more is 60. 5 more is 65. 66. There's 66 cents. Kiss your brains. Okay. The next one. The next one is 32 plus 2. Who already knows the answer? 32 plus 2. If you have 32, plus 2. What two numbers would you put together? Who can raise their hand and tell me what two numbers am I going to put together to add up? Kai? Yeah?
2 and 2.
2 and 2, just the ones. Because we don't have any 10s to add to the 30. So 30 is going to stay the same. So 32, 33, 34. 34, right? 30 is 30 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, and 2 cents. And all we did was add 2 more over here. So now we have 34. Who remembers how I make 30 cents? With my change. Who remembers making 30 cents? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. What do I need? Who knows? What quarter is almost, what coin is almost 30? If I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 34, who can see 10, 20, 25? Do you see 10, 20, 25? Could we have 1 quarter at least? Eli, can I have a quarter? If I had 25 cents, would I have too much? Or would I have too much if I had 25?
I think 25.
Okay, I have 25. How can I make 25 30? What do I need to make it 30? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. What do I need?
Need 2.
Elia Grace? Good. 5 cents, a nickel. That makes 30 cents. 25, 30. Now we need 4 more cents. What's the only way to do that? How do I get 4 more cents? What do I need? How do I get 4 more cents, kiddos? Elia Grace, how do I get it?
4 pennies.
4 pennies. Kiss your brain. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. Okay, so it says 25, 30, because it's 5 more cents, 31, 32, 33, 34. There's our 34 cents. All right. So now we have 26 plus 2. 26 plus 2. Who can raise their hand and tell me what is 26 really? What is 26 really? How many 10s and how many 1s? Do you know, Finn?
20 plus 6.
20 plus 6, good job. 20 plus 6. So 2 10s and 6 1s, right? Okay? We're adding 2 more to the 1s place, right? Now how much do we have? 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 cents. 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. Now, look at this. Who can see a quarter? Does anybody see a quarter? Up here? 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. Harrison, do you see the quarter? Do you see 25 cents here?
Yes.
Okay, so what can we use? What's the first coin we should use?
Quarter.
1 quarter. Okay, so we're going to have 1 quarter.
2 million.
Now we have 10, 20, 25 cents. We did it. 10, 20, 25 cents. What do we have left over that we need to have? What's left over?
You gotta keep it.
Addison, what do we need? We have 25 cents. Now we need, but we want to make 28. So how much do we? 3 cents. Good job. Now we have 25, 26, 27, 28. Awesome. Okay. Ooh, a big one. 88 plus 2. This is one of those that when you add those 2 pennies, you all of a sudden get another 10. So we're not going to have any ones. 82 plus 2 is really 80 plus 8, and then we're going to add 2 more. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. Okay, everybody see that? 88 cents. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 85, 86, 87, 88. Oh my gosh, look what happens when you add the 2. What's gonna happen? Look at guys, if I move over the 2, what does it become? Can anybody see? What happens when I move the 2 over here? What's gonna happen? Finn, what happens?
90.
We get another 10 when we add that 2. If we bring that down, now we have a 10. So now we have 9 10s, 90. 90 cents, almost $1. So how many more cents do we need to make $1? How much? If we have 90 cents, how much more do we need? What do you see left over here? Harrison?
10.
Good. Or Eli Shaw, 10. So 10 cents or what? To what? To a 10 or to 2 nickels, right? 2 nickels would make it 2. Okay. Now, can we have 4 quarters to make 90? 25, 50, 75, 100. Is it 100 cents? Is 90 100 cents or is it less than 100?
Less.
Huh? Look it, it's less than 100, right? It's almost 100, but it's not 100 yet. So how many quarters can we have? 25, 50, 75. Could we have 3 quarters? Yeah, we can have 3 quarters. Watch. 25, 50, 75. Okay, let me show you what that is. We're trying to get to 90, but watch Mrs. Ackerman. We have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. Look what's left over here. This is what we have left to get. How much more is that? You can see this right here. What's left to get? Look up here. What's left over here? Look over here. What didn't get moved over? I just moved over the 75, but to make 90, I need this much more. What's left? Yes, Elia Grace.
5.
5, and what else? What's 2 hands?
10.
So we need what coins? We need a 10 coin, which is a dime, and a nickel. Okay, 25, 50, 75, 85, 90. Okay, we're gonna do one more problem, and you can do the last 3 on your own, okay? Okay, 42 plus 2. Okay. 42 plus 2. 40 plus 2, and then 2 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens, and how many ones do we start with? For 42, how many ones?
2 ones.
Good, but we're gonna add 2 more. So now what do we have? If we add 2 to the 2, now what do we have?
4.
4, good job. Now we have 44. So 42 plus 2 is 44. 10, 20, 30, 40, 4. Now, question, look at me. Do you guys see a quarter in 44? Here it is, 25. Do you guys see that?
Yes.
Okay, so let's put a quarter. I'm going to put a quarter up there first. 25 cents. Okay. What do I have left to get? Who sees a 10 right here? Does anybody see a 10? Do you see a 10 right here? We have 25 cents. How much more do we need? Here's 25, and we're trying to make 44. Count with me. 5 more, right? 30, 44. So we need a 5 and a 4. What's 5 and a 4? What's 5 and 4? Eli?
9.
9. So we have a 10 and a 9. We need to make 19 cents. So let's add a dime. We need 1 10. Right? Now we have 35 cents. Let's add a nickel. Now we have 35, 30, now we have 35. Now we have 35, 25, 35, 40 cents. And then how many pennies do we need? How many pennies? How many ones? 4. Good job, Addison. So smart. Okay, here we go. It is 25, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. And you can do the last 3 on your own, but we are going to do a fraction. One more thing before we go. Should I do it on this side? I'll do it on this side. No, off the trampoline.
Miss Catherine,
Yeah.
papers fell off.
Huh?
Papers are right there.
Oh, they fell?
They're right on your board.
Got it. Okay. Thank you. Okay. We're going to do one fraction problem. Are you guys ready? Okay. One table. Okay? One table. And I want half of the kids over here and half of the kids over here. Okay? I have 14 kids. 14. Who knows the double to make 14? Watch Miss Beckman. 10. 14. We're going to try to split it up. How do we make 14? How do we make 14? How do you split it up? 6 and 6. What does 6 and 6 make?
12.
Okay.
12.
12. So what do you think 14? What 2 numbers? 7?
7 and 7.
Good. Let's see. Okay. If it's 7 plus 7, we're going to put 7 on this side of the table and 7 on this side of the table. You guys ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there's 14 kids, 7 on each side, okay? So if I have 7 kids on one side, how many kids was there all together? What was the whole? How many kids all together?
14.
14. So half of them were on this side, 7, and half of them were over here, 7. So this equals, is 7 1/2 of 14? If 7's over here, and so that is 1/2. So 7/14 is 1/2 is on this side and 1/2 is on this side. Wow, you guys are so smart. Okay, you do these problems on your own. You could just do this. 74, count 2 more. Ready? 74, 75, 76. 76. Let's do this one. 56, 57, 50, 58. And then 18 plus 2 more. Ooh, the 8 and the 2 are getting together, so we're going to get another what?
20.
Yes, we're going to get another 10 when we add the 8 and the 2. Good job. Okay. Monday, we'll do Memorial Day. Something for Memorial Day. You guys have the greatest weekend. I love you.
Catherine.
Yes.
Catherine, I'm wearing a bell dress. Can I?
You know yellow's one of my favorite colors. You look so pretty.
Thank you.
Love you.